Hi, asawa ko. Today is your 40th day. It's been crazy, asawa ko. We are all, trying to continue our lives without you. Sabi nga doon sa kanta, I feel you everywhere. I can see you everywhere. Sometimes when I hear you speak, I want to hear you talk again to us. Pero alam ko, it's over. It's over. Kumusta ka? Saan ka man naroon, I'm pretty sure na there's no pain, asawa ko. No medicine to take, no dialysis, 3 times a week. Wala na yun lahat. No more injections. Wala na hospitalization. You don't have to go to NKTI or labor hospital again. Ingit ako, asawa ko. Kasi alam ko happy ka dyan. I have a request. Please. Guide us every day. Tulungan mo kami every day. You know what? Parating na yung angel na pinadala mo. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-change ng diaper, baby diaper. So please, help me ha. Naglaba ako kagabi. Yung mga sampay ko, yung tiklop ko, alam ka namang hindi papasa sa'yo. Alam ko pagsaksaw ba? Alam ko pabalik ka na sa heaven. You'll meet God very soon. Nakita kong picture mo na bakit ka sa hagdan. It breaks me down really. Before you finally go, please allow me na balikan lahat ng tungkol sa atin. I wrote it down kasi I don't want to forget anything. We were classmates in high school, diba? Sinabi mo sa akin na you hated me so much. Kasi nag-English ako. I was a substitute teacher for mga classes natin. Tapos, class leader din ako. May niligawan ako, pero, mabasted ako, diba? But God has a different plan. God gave me you instead. Hindi kita nakita. You had a long black hair. Napakabango sobra. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Before we graduated in high school, we had this group called 18s. Ang saya nun sobra. Remember our first movie? Yung Lion King. I want to play it for you. And I want to play it for you. We went to the movies and ito yung theme song. Let me play that for you. This one. Ito yung song. Ito yung song. Wait a minute, asawa ko. Let me play this for you. Alam mo yan? Can you feel the love tonight? I can feel it every time. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Noong December 18, 1996, Kuya Jeff was born. And it is one of the best days of our lives, diba? Dahil sobrang miss natin ng isa't isa when I had to go to Nueva Vizcaya to get my birth certificate. When I came home, we missed each other so much na dumating si ate. After 9 months, dumating siya. That was on January 6, 2001. Silang dalawa, si Jeff and ate. Sila yung lakas ko ngayon. Sila rin yung kailangan. They always tell me that I can do it. That I won't be ever alone again. Pero, so I feel alone sometimes. I miss kita sobra. Miss kita sobra. But no worry. Kasi si ate meron na siyang mag-aalaga sa kanya. Meron na mag-aalaga sa kanya si Jomar. And they will have their baby soon. Lalaki. Baby boy, mommy. Baby boy. And Kuya Jeff naman has his girlfriend, si Charmaine. And I hope they continue to love each other. Kahit anong mangyari. Next one is yung civil wedding natin. That was on February 12, 1997. I want to say thank God sa mga parents natin. Kay Mama Portia and Papa Lito. Mama V and si Papa Pedro. Sa family mo, sa Muntinlupa, kay Bayaw, kay... Salamat. Kay Tita Lisa, I wanna say thank you to both of them. Both of you, maraming salamat. Kay Ching, kay Tita Ching at kay Janelle. Salamat sa kapatid mo, sa mga kapatid mo dahil they welcomed me into your family. They really did. I wanna say thank you sa mga family mo sa Quezon City. Lahat sila. Tinulungan tayo, lahat sila sumuporta sa atin. They loved us. They have been loving us since day one. Kung di na lang mami gagraduate na din si kuya, we will help him finish his college degree. Ilang units na lang yun, and I hope we can find ways para makagraduate siya very soon. I want to say thank you dahil sinamahan mo si ate sa Novaliches. Sa enrollment period niya and until she graduated with a degree in psychology in July of 2024. Thank you, asawa ko. Thank you very much. We have been trying to make our lives better. Thank you sa pagpuno ng mga pagkukulang ko. Thank you for helping me. We both went to Kuwait. You worked in Hong Kong. Sometimes I would ask God why we were not successful or why haven't we been successful yet, but I understand now. God is a different plan for all of us. I don't know what that is, but please help me. Please help me, okay? Please help me. What else? What else can I say? I guess your mission is over, asawa ko. Your mission is over. Congratulations. Tapos na. Now I have this huge responsibility to be the father, the mother of Kuya Nat. For sure, mahirap. Mahirapan ako sobra for sure, but you will be here watching over us, diba? You will be forever be missed, and we will all forever be broken. We're not gonna be whole anymore. Mamimiss kita sobra. Namimiss kita sobra. Till we meet again, asawa. Maria Teresa Iborde Soberano. Mahal na mahal kita. Sorry sa mga pagkukulang ko sa'yo. I was not a good provider to our family. Thank you sa pagpuno ng mga pagkukulang ko. Salamat. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Today, October 3, 2025. This is your 40th day and I wanna say goodbye now. Thank you so much. You are my friend. You're my classmate. You're my wife and my partner. Till we meet again, asawa ko.